Okay, today we're going to replace the fuel pump control module on a 2015 F-150. All you need is a 10mm socket and wrench, and you can use that link back there to get the part. Make sure it's the right one for your truck. Alright, first thing we're going to do is use that 10mm socket to remove the negative terminal from the battery. Might have to pry it up, keep that little plastic piece. This is the new fuel pump control module. The link will be in the description. So this is going to be towards the back of the truck, up on the rail there. See, that's a gas tank. You can see it right above the gas tank on the little cross rail there, right there. That's where that power cord is going to. So you take that 10mm up there. There's one bolt on each side, and you're just going to do all the things, the little hand dance there, to remove the bolts. Alright, once the bolts are removed, just going to unplug it. You got to kind of push this little clip right here, pull that out, be careful not to break it, and once you get it unplugged, make sure to inspect the plug side and ensure that there's nothing wrong in there. Everything looks good, all the connector or the little metal pins are in good shape. And then plug in the new module, line it up, put the new bolts in there. And the module, if you use my link to get this module off Amazon, it does not come with new fasteners, so you'll have to reuse the ones that you remove from the old one, which is fine. The final step after you get this fully attached is just reconnect the battery. Boom.